Hello everyone, you're welcome to Cooking with Ayeme. Today we're going to learn how to make this very versatile stew using goat meat. You can serve this stew with your plain white rice. For this recipe, we need fresh red bell pepper, tomatoes, onions, garlic, ginger, and of course you need the goat meat that has been cleaned and washed. I will season this with some thyme, curry powder, ground black pepper, salt to taste, some fresh thyme, which is optional, onions, ginger is being grated now, and I will add some chopped up garlic. This I will mix together and allow to sit and marinate for about 2 hours. And don't forget to share this video with your family and friends and to click the subscribe button. Thank you as you do so. Next, we're going to get the pepper mix ready by blending into a very smooth consistency. You will pour this pepper mix into a pot by itself and allow this to boil for about 50 to 55 minutes. This will enable the pepper mix to thicken up, and also the water content will be evaporated. While this is cooking, you can start cooking the goat meat. You're going to boil this until it's soft enough for you. And once this is boiled, you can begin to fry in canola oil or any oil of your choice. But remember, we're going to use the same oil that we're using to fry to make the stew. So once the frying is done, to a pot, I will pour the oil, add some onions, fresh ginger and garlic to the hot oil, and I begin to add the cooked pepper mix to the oil. You will allow this to cook for about 10 minutes. Remember, the pepper was already cooked for like 50 minutes. Now you can begin to add the fried goat meat. It's smelling so good already. And you just allow this to simmer for another 7 minutes. And holla, your stew is all done. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. And we can't wait to hear back from you. Please share your experiences, share recipes that you want us to show on the channel. Share it with us, even in the comment section. And thanks for watching. God bless you.